Welcome back guys to a brand new Rolling Heritage video on this brand new channel. Well, it's a used channel, but we are starting completely over with the Rolling Heritage brand. That white Volvo is out of the door. Well, it's not because it's here, but Rolling Heritage is all what it's about right now. We are gonna make this new channel, new concept to what it could be in the future, and I want you guys to be part of that. So make sure you subscribe. This is the very first Rolling Heritage video and I can't wait to start working on my Volvo 240. So guys, it's finally time to start working on my Volvo 240. Over there, you guys know it. If you haven't checked out this channel before, make sure you subscribe and hit that like button on this video. It will help me a tremendous lot. And if you don't know, I am the proud owner of this Volvo 240 station wagon from 1983. This thing has a B23A. That means a B23 engine block with a carburetor. The A stands for carburetor. What carburetor do I have? I have a Stromberg 175 CD on here. And it's a simple setup. It's a very simple setup. And it works. So that's all that matters for now. And what we are gonna do in the upcoming weeks, we are gonna fix this car. We are gonna take the complete engine bay apart. We are gonna respray the engine bay in the original Volvo 240 color 189-2. And then we're gonna completely rebuild the engine block. Well, not completely, but we are gonna rebuild the cylinder head. We are gonna check the cylinder walls and everything else, the bearings and stuff. Then we are going to change every little seal in the engine block, throw it all back together, and after that we are also going to do a complete rear axle restoration. We are going to do a complete underside restoration of the car. I bought some Hammerite anti-rust paint and we are just going to completely strip the underside of the car, which is actually very easy because it's just a rear axle, it's a exhaust, it's two brake lines, one fuel line, a rear axle, it's a transmission, drive shaft, and that's it actually. Well, and the engine. So pretty easy job. And we are gonna do that. I'm gonna do that. Wiz is gonna come here and he's gonna help me out. You guys have seen Wiz on this channel also very much, and I can't wait to start on this project. So make sure you hit the subscribe button, get me to 1,000 subscribers. And let's go and start taking the hood off this car and let's start this completely crazy build for the next 2 weeks. And yeah, I hope you guys are sticking with me. Let's roll on and start the video. Look at this. The complete front is disassembled. Took everything off because we need to weld this. This is a complete huge hole. We already patched it like last year, or no, 2 years ago when I bought the car. We patched it. It's on the inside over here. There's a patch, and on the bottom, don't know if you can see that. Yeah, you can see it. You can see the welding. We patched it, but it's going out. We have a brand new one, so we need to cut it out over there. We need to cut it out on the underside here, and we need to do that. I also found out I have more rust than I originally expected. Not necessarily on this side of the car. I am gonna weld shut those old holes that are not used anymore. So I already marked those, and yes, I'm gonna check the manuals if they are not meant for something else that's not on the car right now. But everything I took off the car is taken off and it's marked. So every hole that's not orange with an arrow, it can stay on the car. And the other thing I found out is in the back of the car. I already took the fuel tank out also. Then I want to film that. Here is my complete exhaust. But over here we have the complete frame rail and there is a huge gaping hole in there. And I think the other side is not like through and through over there, but yeah. This is not a thing I expected. The thing I did expect is this. This is the trunk of the car, and the thing I didn't know was I have a huge hole over here, and I have a huge hole over here, and this is the hole. Well, this hole needs to be there, but like the underside over here, this needs to be like closed, and that's where your feather neck of your fuel tank is going. So I need to fix that. I need to fix this hole. There are some other holes over there, and I found this new one. So yeah, these are original holes, but I'm gonna weld these shut also. But I have a complete used panel, that goes to like this section of the car, and you cut it out with these pieces. So I can just take them out, well, I'm not gonna take these out, but I'm gonna take the underside out, weld that in, and then that is done. So yeah, this was day one on working on Kiki, working on that white Volvo, working on this amazing car. And that's what you do at Rolling Heritage. So yeah, this was it for today. I hope you guys liked this one. Please hit the subscribe button, please hit that comment and that like button, and I will see you guys in the next video that will be online in a few days. So I'm gonna get going on this car, and I will see you guys on the next one. Bye bye.